Thank you for watching Everyday Culture.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Garlic in milk cures asthma, pneumonia, tuberculosis, cardiac problems, insomnia, arthritis, cough, and many other diseases. Numerous fruits, vegetables and culinary spices can be utilized for treating certain health conditions with no need for other treatments. Here is a recipe for a drink that works as a medicine and that is excellent for the overall health. This drink is called garlic milk because it is made of a mixture from garlic and warm milk. Ingredients needed for the preparation process: 500 milliliters of milk, 10 cloves of peeled and minced garlic, 2 or 3 teaspoons of sugar, 250 milliliters of water. Preparation: take a pot and pour the water and the milk into it. Then, add the garlic and put the pot on heat. Wait until the mixture starts boiling. Keep the heat on medium, do not stop stirring. All until the mixture evaporates to 1/2 of the amount you started with. Strain and add the sugar to the mixture. This drink is the best when served hot. Here are the health benefits of garlic milk. Asthma: if you consume 3 cloves of garlic every night, you will relieve the symptoms of asthma. Pneumonia: if you consume garlic milk 3 times daily, you will successfully treat pneumonia. Cardiac problems: this drink efficiently reduces the levels of the LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol, prevents the formation of clots, thus improving the circulatory system. If you prepare the garlic milk with skimmed or low-fat milk, it will be even more efficient for alleviating cardiac issues. Curing jaundice: garlic is great for elimination of the unwanted toxins from the body. This property is due to the fact that garlic activates the liver enzymes. The liver requires sulfur for body detoxification, and garlic is a great source of sulfur. This ingredient is a real treasury for the liver and has incredible effects on fatty liver. It contains great amounts of allicin and selenium. It enhances the production of bile and thus reduces the amount of fat in the liver. If you consume garlic milk for 4 to 5 days, you will cure jaundice. Arthritis: if you consume the garlic milk on a daily basis, you will reduce the symptoms of arthritis, including the inflammation and the pain. Insomnia: the garlic milk will help you alleviate the sleeping troubles, thanks to the soothing compounds that garlic contains. Cough, combined with turmeric: this drink is excellent for treating persistent cough. This is why you can prepare garlic turmeric milk for treating cough. Garlic has potent antibacterial effects, which make it an amazing cough remedy. If you add honey to this mixture, you will get an excellent expectorant to get rid of the cough. Tuberculosis of lungs: this mixture is very beneficial for treating diseases of the chest. The sulfur components in garlic make this remedy very efficient against this disease. Make a remedy using 1 gram of garlic, 240 milliliters of milk and 1 liter of water. Boil all ingredients together until you remain with 1/4 of the starting amount. Consume this decoction 3 times daily. Cholesterol: if you consume warm garlic milk continuously for a week, you will reduce the levels of low-density lipoprotein (LDL) cholesterol, or the bad cholesterol, and you will increase the levels of high-density lipoprotein (HDL), or the good cholesterol in your body. Digestive health: the powerful antiseptic properties of garlic make it very efficient when it comes to boosting the immune system and maintaining the digestive health. This ingredient is also very beneficial for the lymph as it eliminates the toxic waste from the body. Moreover, garlic triggers secretion of digestive juices and provides relief from various kinds of diarrhea. Impotence. Garlic milk is an excellent cure for impotence. In addition, eating boiled pieces of garlic successfully fights infertility in both men and women. Sciatica. Garlic milk is known to be an efficient cure for sciatica nerve pain. Consumption of this remedy over a period of time will help you successfully reduce sciatica pain.